Hey guys, so in this video we're going to see the cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. So if you find any kind of this vulnerability in any website, then it is very dangerous attack you can see in the website. By reporting to the that owner of the website, you can get the good amount of a boundaries. So let's get started. What does the XSS vulnerability means? Like whenever you visit any website, then basically the website run on three main components like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this code, in XSS vulnerability, we'll try to run our JavaScript code. By this running our JavaScript code, the hacker what they do, they write their own JavaScript malicious JavaScript code, and they try to run in that the targeted website. Like if that the website is vulnerable through the JavaScript, then they try to run that JavaScript code so that they can make the remote access to that website. It may get losses, their company losses by this scripting. So as you can see on the screen, how does the XSS work? Like as you can see on the screen, HTTP insecure website is there, and at last you can see the after question mark you can see the message and equals to, then it have given the JavaScript code. It simply means that whenever you see any website, then at last you will see the question mark, and then sometime you see the page 1, page 2. That is a parameter. In this parameter it has given the script and then given the source of that file. If you have written any JavaScript code or you have created any website, then you have know that you have to include the JavaScript. You have to write this code, script source of that path, and then close the script code. It is the same as it has been written here. This tell in that parameter that to run this script when the browser is loading. When web page loads, that time this script will automatically run. So let's do the practical of a XSS vulnerability. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to perform the XSS vulnerability in this website. You can also perform in this website. It is a completely illegal to perform this XSS vulnerability. It is for demo purpose. It is for learning purpose. This website has been made. So in this field, I want to tell you one more thing, that whenever you see any kind of link that has a parameter, that get parameter like page 1, page 2, or sometimes you can see the title 1, title 2, something like that in the URL, you can try add there, or in the web page you will find some input field like enter your name or enter your phone number, and this kind of you can find, or enter your comment. At that time, at there in that box you can try to run your JavaScript code. I will show you on the screen. See, I have written the script, and let's say I've written confirm. See, and confirm, then I have written you have hacked. And I have written, then close the JavaScript code, and now we'll try to run the code. See, our JavaScript code has been run in this. This shows that this website is purely vulnerable with the XSS. If you can run another JavaScript code as well. See, I will try to print my alert in this code. Alert, like something, say my channel name, okay, and then script, close the script tag, and then click on the go. See, it's vulnerable JavaScript code. So if you might be wondering that what kind of vulnerability it can be, like some hacker might create the backdoor of the, if the JavaScript code is running, that means that a hacker can create the JavaScript payload and it can run on that the targeted website. So this might get the backdoor of that website. It is very critical vulnerability in the website. If you find any kind of this vulnerability, you can directly report to the owner of that website, and you can get the good boundary as well. So hope you have liked this video. If you really like this video, you can thumbs up by like my video. So thanks for watching my video.